What if I told you that skipping just one $10 purchase a day could make you a millionaire? Sounds impossible, right? But by the end of this video, you'll understand why the biggest obstacle to building wealth isn't your income, it's your habits. Most people don't think twice before spending $10. A coffee, fast food, a subscription. It's only $10, so it doesn't feel important. But wealth isn't created by one big decision. It's created by thousands of small ones. Saving money is important, but saving alone won't make you rich. Your money has to work for you. That's where investing changes everything. When you invest, your money earns returns, and those returns begin earning returns too. That's called compound interest. Investing just $10 a day may not seem like much, but over decades, it could grow into over $1 million based on long-term historical stock market returns. The secret isn't starting with a lot of money, it's starting early and staying consistent. The difference between the average person and the millionaire isn't always a higher salary. It's the decision to let time work instead of spending every dollar today. Your future wealth doesn't begin with $1,000, it begins with your first 10. If you want to master money and build real wealth, subscribe. Because every week we're breaking down the habits that keep people broke and the strategies that help them build lasting wealth.